Introducing the install ready trapeze support kits. These are designed for those of you who like to buy in pre-cut lengths of channel so you can get to site, get going straight away. That's exactly what you get here. In my hands is a 300mm trapeze support kit. Comes with our own style channel, which has got these interesting holes here, make it easy to screw your cable tray and cable basket down. And then it comes with two adapters. These adapters will fit onto M8 and M10 threaded rod. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how easy it is to build yourself a multi-level trapeze support kit on site. This is a 300mm. Here it goes.